So Uber Eats is now showing you where to go in your marketplace and the actual times to go into those specific areas in your marketplace to make the most money. And today I'm going to break down for you how to do it and how to get this information for yourself. My name is John McFall, and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel, where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery. In today's video, I want to break down to you a new feature on the Uber Eats app that I find very helpful for us drivers, and it's something that the other apps are not doing. What they are doing now is they have a way in the app to go into and look at your specific marketplace. And in my marketplace, they have broken it down so that they show us where to go for the most dollars. And they also show us where to go at the certain times of the day to make the most money on the Uber Eats platform. I've been really working hard on Uber Eats the last probably month or so, working on getting my ratings up on Uber Eats because I want to see if getting the ratings up on Uber Eats are going to help me increase the income that I can make. So I'm really good. I've got a 5 on my customer satisfaction rating out of 5. I also have 0 orders that I've given back on the platform, and right now I'm at a 54% acceptance rating. So over the next month and a half, I'm going to continue working on getting that up to 85%, so I can see if Uber will start sending me more and better orders because of this. If you get value in today's video, I would like to ask you to please like this video and to subscribe to my channel. So I'm finding that this new feature on the Uber Eats app is really amazing because it tells you not only where to go in your marketplace, and it shows you based on dollar signs where the best places are to go in your marketplace, but it also has a feature in there that shows you the time of the day to go into those areas in your marketplace to make the most money when you're out there. I think that this is a really good thing that Uber Eats is doing to try to help us drivers get the most money that we can get when we're out there. And DoorDash and Grubhub don't do this. This is phenomenal to me that they're giving us this information because they're sharing a little bit of the data that they've collected over the years and the trends in your marketplace, so that they're trying to help us make as much money as possible. If you want to check out this feature, you've got to be online working on the Uber app to be able to access it. If you look here, if you press the 3 buttons at the bottom on the right-hand side, it will take you into another screen. And if you click on Show the Trends, this is where you get this information from. It starts by showing you the map of the dollars that you can make at that specific time in your marketplace. And the cool thing that you can do is if you go to the bottom, you can actually click on the hours, and it will show you over a 24-hour period for that day what that specific area does. And it'll show you the different areas in your marketplace. Mine has 3, and it breaks down each of the areas, so you can take a look at where you need to be in your marketplace at a specific time to be able to get the best order. So if you haven't used this feature yet, go check it out and see what it looks like in your marketplace, because it will tell you exactly where you need to go to make the most money on Uber Eats. We hear complaints all the time from gig tubers out here in this space about the fact that all these apps are trying to do is push the lowest dollars to us, and they don't care about our income, and they just want to get all of their orders completed. And yes, this might be the case a lot of the time, but in this instance, what Uber Eats is doing is the exact opposite. They're trying to show us where we need to go, when we need to go at a specific time of the day in your marketplace for each day of the week, so you can plan on your schedule around when you can make the most money on Uber Eats. And if you incorporate this into multi-apping with the other apps, you can actually probably get out there and make some really good money if you use Uber Eats and you figure out where to go in your marketplace to make the most money. So I really commend Uber Eats for doing this. I think that this is a really good beneficial thing for us drivers to help us make more money when we're out there. So let me know down here in the comments if you guys have checked this out and if you've seen it on your app and if it's helping you out making more money. Also would like to ask again, if you haven't yet, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I want to also talk to you about a tool that I've put together that's going to help you make more money when you're out in your marketplace. And this is my metric spreadsheet. I'm going to throw it up here on the screen real quick so you guys can check it out. If you look at the left-hand side, you'll see I always put my start time and my end time. This gives me the total time that I've worked. I also put in the miles. If you head to the right, you'll see for each individual app, I put the dollars that I've made, the time that I worked, along with the number of deliveries. Head to the bottom and you'll see it calculates out what your average dollar per hour, dollar per mile, and your average per order. If you want to get better out there doing food delivery, start keeping track of your numbers, because this will show you where you are and where you need to improve. If you want to learn about doing multi-apping, check out my food delivery playlist that has got a lot of education in there that will teach you the things that you want to know to earn that $25 to $30 an hour. You can also check this video out here. It's called Multi-Apping 101, and it goes over the basics of multi-apping that'll teach you some understandings that you need to know to start making that really good money. Want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.